Have you been dreaming of a new pole shed, but you're confused by all the conflicting information, worried about council rules and can't seem to find the way forward? Well, there's a new concept in shed planning, design and building. It's a 7-step roadmap to building your dream shed. I'm Rob Hazelwood and I'm a kit shed expert who's developed a system that gets you the perfect shed for the job. Whether you're a lifestyle block owner wanting storage, workshop or extra family space, a farmer wanting an ag shed, a weekender looking for a low-cost base, or a business looking for a workshop, storage or even office space. I'm going to share with you 3 secrets about our shed roadmap to building your dream shed and how you finally get the perfect shed on time and on budget that's right for you. So the first secret is that you don't need to be the expert. Instead, you just need a proven system. This matters because our 7-step roadmap means you don't have to fret over the headaches around planning, designing and building. With our free shed expert call and our ultimate shed checklist guide, we'll walk you through every step so that nothing gets missed and your shed gets done right. The second secret, you won't get caught out with dodgy suppliers, blown budgets or council dramas. We've taken all the guesswork out of the process so you don't have to worry about costly surprises. Because we've assembled a great team of designers, engineers and suppliers. This means you're not only getting a proven, easy to follow, step-by-step system, you're getting the full package. We'll deliver an easy to build kit set shed complete with detailed design drawings. Plus, you get direct access to our network of engineers who know the building code, designers who get what it is you're after, and quality suppliers who deliver. There's no cowboys, just solid professionals who respect your time and your budget. The third secret is that you don't have to fret about the council. Most people do. You might not even need a permit, but it's complicated. We'll help you work it out, and if you do need a permit, we're there to help. For our personal shed expert consultation and our ultimate checklist guide, we match your vision to what's allowed by the council, to what suits your land, and what will stand the test of time. No wasted time, no failed consents, no designs that miss the mark, just the right shed built right the first time. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's all well and good, but our council is very difficult to deal with. So here's the thing, most people get stuck here simply through a lack of understanding. Missing key details early can land your project in the dreaded council backlog. That's why as part of our process we'll show you exactly how to avoid these pitfalls. And if you want, we'll even take care of the council process for you, using our team of experts who know how to deal with councils across the country. The key to all this is our free shed expert consultation and the ultimate shed checklist guide to help you create the perfect plan for your ideal shed. All of our systems and tools are grounded in real-world shed design and construction experience right here in New Zealand. We'll work with you step by step, concept to consent to construction. Our process is like having a shed expert in your back pocket. You'll get the right result every time. This is what the process does. It walks you through every step to get your perfect shed, designed for your needs, built with quality materials and delivered on time and on budget. No stress, no guesswork, just a solid shed that lasts. Just click the link below to book your appointment today. I'm not sure how much longer we'll be able to offer the shed expert consultation and the ultimate checklist guide free. It's packed with value and frankly I think we should probably be charging for it. Plus, we can only do a proper job on a limited number of projects at any one time. So once we're booked out, we have to turn people away. So click the link below and get started today while it's still possible. We're here to help, and honestly, we've seen incredible results for people who've been struggling to find the right way to get started. Trust me, our shed expert consultation and ultimate shed checklist guide is a game changer. I can't wait to see you on the inside. Have a great day.